Guys, and welcome back to stephysplanet. I'm super excited to be back. I took a long break, but now I'm back and better and more consistent. So guys, you need to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Alright, let's do it together. I'm gonna wait for you. Okay, good job. Thanks for subscribing. I see that you've subscribed. And now if you want to watch me or see how I achieve the passion twist on my client's hair, keep watching. So first I start with the clean hair. My clients come in with clean hair or they book washing as part of their appointment. So I get to wash the hair before they get it done, or it has to be clean on arrival. So this hair is clean, blow dried, and we're diving into it. So first of all, you can see that I have my Shine and Jam on my wrist. That is not a wristwatch, by the way. That is just a wristband where I put my Shine and Jam, so I don't have to put it on the back of my palm, and it gets dissolved into my skin. That is just a wristband to put the Shine and Jam, and it's easier access while I'm doing the hair to make my parts neat. So as you can see, I use my comb, and I purchased this from Amazon, by the way. I think I'm gonna have a link down below. So right now what I'm doing is just to make sure my client's hair is parted really good. Usually I start braiding from behind. As you can see, some people braid from the front, but I try to start from behind. I don't know if it helps me better, but it's way better for me anyways. So after doing this, I put it into a small box, which is going to be small boxes all through, because it's more like box passion twist. Keep watching. I make sure I smoothing the edges of each of the boxes, just to make sure I leave my client with a smooth and neat hairstyle or neat parts. That's my little rubber band. I use that to tie each box, and that's gonna be all the boxes throughout the hairstyle. As you can see, I make sure it's tight. How I do that is I divide it into two and pull. Make sure I'm not pulling it to where it's uncomfortable for the client, but just pull it apart to make sure that the rubber goes down to the root of her hair and make sure it's secured. As you can see, now it's time for the addition of the hair. I'm using a method it's called the crochet method. So as you can see, I pull the hair using a crochet pin through each of the boxes and divide her hair into two strands, where I'm able to do the double stranded twist. As you can see, I'm twisting it towards the right, and that will be called the clockwise method. So twist and twist and twist, and that's about it. Keep watching for the rest of the hair. So this method, the clockwise twist, this method is really good for passion twists because it makes the hair bounce back and you have the original curls of the hair itself. Does that make sense? You know, water wave is wavy. So once you do this method of twisting and you drop the hair, you see it goes back to the original form of wave the hair has. You see how it bounced back? You see that? That's what I was trying to achieve with the anti-clockwise method. So I'm going to keep going with that method for the rest of the boxes. Then as I move on, I'm going to line again, make boxes, and keep going with the crochet method. Keep watching and you will see. So I know y'all see that pulling when I'm twisting the hair. Trust me, it's not as curl as it looks. It looks like I'm actually pulling deeply on her scalp. Usually when it hurts, I make sure I let my clients know, hey, let me know if this hurts and how I would be able to see what works better with your scalp. So as long as the client is okay, I'm fine. You see, it doesn't look as bad as it actually looks on camera. It's okay. And usually when my clients are tender-headed, I do have a different method for that. So just in case I'm gonna film another hair tutorial video, I would definitely see if I could do a client who has a tender scalp, and you can see that method. So yeah, my client is just okay, she's relaxing, and I do encourage my clients, hey, let me know if you want to go see your hair. Let me know if there's something that you might like differently, because I don't read minds. So I do encourage my clients to let me know all of that while I am on their hair, because I do have a mirror. It's not visible on camera. I do have a mirror close by. So whenever they want to go see something and say, oh, hey, please, can you change this? Can you change? I'm always super happy to do so, because you're the one gonna take the hair home, right? My job is just to do what I'm being told to the best of my understanding, right? So here is me finishing the back. I don't know what I was doing right there. I was playing with her. So guess what? Anyways, I don't think I mentioned it by the start of this video. This client is actually my younger sister, who has the privilege of getting her hair done whenever she feels like. But yes, I was playing with her. at this point, I decided to finish the rest off camera. If you stayed till this point, you are the real MVP. Yes, I said that. Thank you so much for watching my video. And hey, subscribe to my channel. Do not be one of those people that watch and not subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, guys, and I hope to see you on the next video. And look at my client filling her hairstyle. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Have a great day, week, or weekend.